guys. So, pauwi na kami. Sinundo ako ni husband sa work. Kasi natapos siya agad. Nasa bahay na siya nung nag-message ako sa kanya. So, natapos ako ng 3 p.m. What time you finish, babe?
I don't know. 2:30
2:30.
or 3. 2, 3. No, now it's 3. Yeah?
Because I extend 30 minutes. So, I did overtime 30 minutes. Sinundo niya ako guys kasi kanina nag-snow. Actually kanina nag-drive lang ako ng bike. Pero hindi naman sobrang dami yung snow. Kaya ko pa naman mag-bike. Kasi nga yung kalsada is ano, tawag ito, walang snow. I did not expect that this morning, babe. So many snow on my bike. I was thinking it's only like some snowdrops. Sabi. Meron pa ako dito ano.
It's shocking.
Meron pa ako ubo.
Get out.
Kasi,
When I wake up, when I open the curtains, also the way.
but here, not so much. But in Germany, not right.
No, some parts.
So, bukas is Friday. Ihatid niya ako bukas kasi nga mag-start ako ng 6:30. Hindi ako makapag-bike or makapag-bus kasi nga yung bus mag-start lang ng first trip is 5:30. Tapos maglakad pa ako ng 20 minutes. So, hindi siya abot ng 6 p.m. So, ayan. Finally going home. Hindi na malikit. Dito na kami sa bahay. Kakarating lang namin. And, kinuha ni husband yung letter doon sa mailbox. And meron kaming 2 letter na dumating. Kasi nga yung agency ko, pinapakuha ako nitong certificate, which is, yung tawag is, good conduct. Kumbaga, siya, parang similar siya sa like NBI clearance kung meron kang. I'm not really sure if pares lang ba siya sa NBI clearance. Basta ayun, nandito yung yung mga details ko, tapos yung mga rules and regulation, tapos ito yung mga description, ang haba. Ito naman yung tingnan nyo. Ito yung nakasulat. In Dutch is Declaring Omtrenthet Gedrag Certificate of Conduct. So, nagbayad ako ng 33 euro. Tapos, i-send ko sa kanila itong certificate and then ibabalag nila sa akin yung binayad ko kasi nga ako yung nagbayad. So, ibabalag nila yung 33 euro. Tapos, ito namang isa is para naman kay husband kasi nga nagka-violation siya sa pag-drive ng car dyan dito sa Venlo. So, look guys, mahal talaga dito sa Netherlands. Kaunting violation lang kasi nga nagka-violation si husband ng 4 km per hour. So, hindi ko alam talaga kung ano talaga yung speed limit. Dapat kasi yung pag-drive is 50 km per hour lang dun sa area na yun. Tapos nag-drive si husband ng 57 km. Tapos ayun, gubayad na siya ng 46 euro. Yung mahal 46 euro agad. Tapos kapag hindi siya mabayaran ng isang week, dadagdag yung price, hindi yung 64.50. Tapos kapag hindi mo naman mabayaran for the second week, magiging 120 euro. Gagi, sobrang mahal dito sa Netherlands. Mas mura pa yung sa truck kasi nga nagka-violation din si husband about din sa speed limit sa truck. Sa Germany, mostly sa Germany lang talaga nagka-violation siya kasi hindi niya nakikita yung yung tawag nito, yung machine code na nagpipicture. So, sa Germany is 30 euro lang per violation. Dito sa Netherlands, ang mahal. And look guys, merong nabili si husband na na toothbrush. Ito nabili niya ito ng 3 euro. And nung binuksan ko, napansin ko dito sa dulo ng toothbrush is nabubuksan siya. Tapos nung pagbukas ko is battery. Kala ni husband, normal lang na toothbrush. Pero look guys, magic. Nagba-vibrate. You see? Hindi mo na kailangan mag-ganyan-ganyan kasi nga gumagalaw na siya. Ganito mo lang. Bibili niyo ng 3 euro. Ang galing. Nagulat din ako kasi nga nagba-vibrate siya. Di ba? And siya ngayon is nasa shower na siya. Kasi nga mamaya magluluto siya ng potato pancake. So magluluto kami ngayon ng aming dinner. Yung recipe na to is potato pancake. Ito ang daming binili ng potato. My love, how much you pay for this potato?
Euro 50 maybe.
Huh?
Euro 50 maybe something.
Euro 15?
50.
50 euro?
Euro 50.
50 cents?
1 euro.
And 50 cents? It's cheap.
That depends on season. Sometimes it can be really expensive. When it's season time, then the price is low.
So my love, how many pieces do I still need to peel?
I don't know.
Maybe not so much, no?
Not that much, yeah.
Because tomorrow I will not gonna bring food. I will gonna eat in the canteen. Because tomorrow they have chips.
We're doing there.
So, ayan.
Where's some bigger?
We don't have. Only that,
What we don't have?
Tupperware. Tupperware, use Tupperware.
There's nothing. No, I need bigger.
We don't have.
Cattle.
Oh, maybe. That little one, maybe that one. Kanina guys, yung baon ko is adobo. Yung baon ko kanina.
Well, you can do the thing there. You have more shops there, huh?
I cannot reach when I need to keep going inside to get to the chairs.
No, that's not so good.
I will gonna do it.
You want to try a little bit?
Yeah, guys, tapos na. Ang dami, So, learn guys from him. At saka meron kami dito ang harina. Then you will put salt,
Yeah, that's...
pepper. Pinalagay din ako ng sugar, sabi niya. We have here brown sugar.
What did you?
No, I know. Don't be surprised. I'm not gonna...
It's okay.
Akala niya, ubos ko tong O, diba?
Pam?
Kukas. Masarap, no? It's a lot. I can also eat as a viand, right? Because it's potato. You're not gonna make something in meat?
No. This is so great.
So, ito ng ating pan. Lalagay na natin. So, you need butter?
No, oil.
Oil only?
Yeah.
Normal oil? Or olive?
No, normal.
Normal. Not so much, no?
Yes.
So, mag-start na kami mag-prito. Oh, it's... Just put here, let it dry. So he is my chef for today. Because I'm always be the one who's always cooking. Now it's your turn. Okay, up 10.
You cook, of course, more. Me also sometimes.
Yeah.
So this time when I cook, so not in count, yeah?
No, it's gone.
Never. Okay, yeah.
I didn't say you never cook.
No, I say. You didn't get me.
So, I think mainit na yung kawali. Maybe you can need to use that measuring. Testing.
Little bit.
Because it... Turn on the lights. So, ayan. Lalagay mo siya. Hindi ko mainit yung kawali. Sabi niya, yung niluto niya daw is, that's his childhood food. Pankukas. Ah.
It's too little hot. Needs to be bigger. Not maybe that much hot.
I just wanted to heating the oil. Because it's not yet hot.
Yes. You don't know.
Baliktaran niya na. Oh, it's look yummy.
Little bit longer. Too short.
Para siyang ano no? Itlog. Scrambled egg. Huh? I-try
More salt.
namin. More salt?
More salt, yeah. So this one, and this one more salt.
Your mom replied, my love. She said, Kartupele? Garishige.
Exactly.
Ano yung sinabi ko guys? Sabi ko, yung kartupele is ano, Latvian words. In English is potato. Tapos yung garshige is yummy. It's enough, babe.
What?
It's enough salt. Para siyang ano, yung kalasa niya is okoy. Ang sarap. Pero mom, no? Ay. Naglalahos. So, look at that. Masarap, guys. I-try nyo din.
Nice, good.
Masarap siya. It's yummy when it's like this, oh. Crunchy.
Yes, yes. And then with sour cream.
Oh, sour cream. I forgot. We still have sour cream. So, i-try kong isaw-saw siya kung masarap ba. Actually, not bad, guys. It's yummy. With sour cream. Before, nung pagdating ko ng Latvia, di ba pinatikim ako nila ng mga Latvian food. Isa na dito, itong sour cream. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan. Ewan. Tapos habang tumagal, kasi madalas yung husband kumain ng sour cream. So, yun na. Gustuhan ko na din. Yummy.
You put chocolate in there.
A little, it's still okay.